It's 2:14. We are now at the Ayala Bridge. This should be our last leg for our artsy-fartsy era. And we shall be ending the vlog soon. That's the river. I'll put in the description which river. I think this is Pasig River. And I'm going to this mansion, and they have an exhibit that ends at 4 p.m. today. It's also their last day. So 2:14, I better run. The street to the left is Palanca Street. We're going to the right, and they're calling it General Solano Street. Hindi naman tayo aabot sa Malacanang. Siguro mga 3 properties from here lang. It's a beautiful mansion. I think it's part of the Malacanang complex. And if you're a Catholic, that's also the same road going to St. Jude Church. Ang sabi ko, it's mga 3 properties away from the crossroad. Ang haba-haba nitong compound nitong property sa likod natin. Akala ko aabot pa tayo dun sa gate para makaabot dun sa Malacanang. Hindi kayo aabot dun sa gate. Hanggang dito lang tayo. It's the second property bago dumating sa gate na papunta sa Malacanang. So that is the famous mansion. The exhibit is not there, and it's off limits. We can't go inside. So because the pinaka exhibit is right across, it looks like a social greenhouse. That's where we're going. That's the ground. And this is the going to the toilet. Siyempre we're going to use the toilet. Ito, kanina may tao dito. Kaya nahihiya akong mag-osyoso. The one at the left is by Gio Lamen. And at the right, Leonard Paras. You also featured here? No. I'm a photo bomber. You're a photo bomber, yeah. I'm meeting the artist, Leonard Paras. It's okay. Video para hindi Photoshop. I actually met you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yung iba may that means when you opened the exhibit, you started selling it.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Akala ko kasi kasama siya dun sa auction.
Hindi.
Magkaiba pa.
Exhibition talaga.
Exhibition talaga. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Leonard. Another work by Leonard Paras. This one's entitled Lakas Tibay Loob Tao. Okay, these are new paintings, no? Sa isip, sa puso. Well, very expressive eyes. Titled Ikaw ang Ilaw. Ikaw ang ilaw. Okay, does it refer to a mother? Reminds me of my ex-office mate, si Rosita. Rosita. Tapos na 25 years. You owe us Hong Kong. Kahit na hindi na Hong Kong, siguro Siargao. So that's entitled Saya, Buo, Sama-sama. Okay, more people have arrived. Howell is from Davao, Davao-based. So beautiful. It's ancestral domain something.